Like there's lots of cute little sayings you can find on Pinterest, like no party started with the salad.
So whereabouts are you in regards to stationery? I guess you're not having a sit-down dinner. Yours is a cocktail style,
Yeah.
so you don't need to do table names and all that sort of stuff. But is there anything that you're doing along these lines?
Yeah, we don't really need any of those sort of things. I want to have lots of signage for grazing table. Like I want really cute little sayings on it. I want some really cute little sayings on the bar. So we all still have lots of stationery in regards to signage, but nothing really like I'm not going to have like table 1 and table 2 and people's names and menus and stuff like that. I'll definitely have a welcome sign and stuff like that as well. So
And so have you had to do much research for this, or is it you knew somebody, or?
So in regards to what I wanted, I found on Pinterest, like there's lots of cute little sayings you can find on Pinterest, like alcohol made me do it, or no party started with the salad or something. There's like cute little sayings you can have like that. So I found lots of those sort of things that I liked. I do have someone that I'm going to be using to do all my invites and signage. So that person will be doing it across the board. So everything will match.
And it is good to have that consistency with your colouring. That makes life heaps easier,
Heaps
doesn't it?
easier.
Has the cost been more than you thought, or it's not a great cost to you?
It's not a crazy cost in regards to this sort of thing. I didn't think this was going to be a massive part of the budget, so it's not something that I budgeted crazy amounts for. Things to save the cost. For example, I've cut the save the dates. We'll do everyone writes if they're coming or not on a website. But yeah, that will save cost. The postage and things ends up being more expensive than most of the other things. Yeah. So
electronically these days it is a lot easier. And it is nice to get a written invitation in the mail.
Yeah.
But at what expense, and is it the best experience for everybody involved to have to do all that work to send a yes, I'm coming to your wedding sort of thing?
Or not,